Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to set a minimum order quantity per products in your Shopify store. So for this, I'm using the Next minimum order quantity app from Shopify App Store. You can also install this app from Shopify App Store. I also attach the app link in the description of this video. So after installing the app, you can open the app. Then you have a section called product limits. Click on this configure button and you can give a name for this rule. I'm just giving minimum order, minimum quantity for a product. That's what I'm giving. And here you can have different sections. So we are selecting the order minimum and we are setting the minimum quantity as 3. And I'm selecting one of the product. So I'm selecting this particular product and add the changes. You can see an automated message is already generated. Otherwise, if you need your custom message, you can also type here. So I'm just using the automated one and save the changes. Right? So you're ready to go. Now we just go to our online store. Just reload the page once. I'm taking this product. I'm adding to cart. So I added only one. So the message will be shown on checkout. I'm just trying to check out. You can see you have one of this particular product, but you at least need 3. So we are just trying to making it 3. I'm adding to cart again. You can see it's 4. And yeah, it's not limiting the products. So there is no error messages. So you can continue your checkout. So this is how you can easily add a minimum order quantity for particular products. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.